Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to sell Ticketmaster tickets on StubHub. First, head over to StubHub and sign into your account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create an account before getting started. Once you're logged in, search for the event or artist related to the tickets you want to sell, and locate your tickets. When you find them, look toward the top right corner where you'll see the Sell Tickets option. Click on that, then select the specific ticket you want to list. When you start creating your listing, you'll be asked to enter seat details like ticket quantity, section, row, and seat numbers. All of this information comes directly from your Ticketmaster ticket. So what you want to do is open your Ticketmaster account, go to your tickets, and look at the full ticket details. There you'll see the exact section, row, and seat numbers that you need to copy and enter into StubHub. After that, you'll also need to confirm that you're ready to transfer the tickets. Since most Ticketmaster tickets are mobile transfer tickets, you can select that option and confirm you're ready to send them once they sell. If there are any restrictions or special notes on your ticket, you can include those as well, but if not, you can leave it as no disclosures. You'll also see an option asking where your tickets are stored. Since you're selling Ticketmaster tickets, make sure to select Ticketmaster from the list. This is important because it tells StubHub how the tickets will be transferred to the buyer. Next, you'll move on to pricing. StubHub usually suggests different pricing strategies like quick sell, balanced, or maximum earnings. You can choose one of those or manually enter your own price depending on how fast you want to sell your tickets. You'll also need to enter the face value, which again can be found on your original Ticketmaster purchase. Finally, you'll add your payment method, choose how you want to get paid, agree to the terms, and submit your listing so it goes live on the marketplace. And if you're dealing with things like buying and selling tickets fairly often, it can be helpful to have a little extra money coming in on the side. Some people use platforms like FreeCash in their spare time to earn online, and you can check it out through the link in the description and sign up for free.